In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 10. So let's dive right in and guide you through the entire process from start to finish, step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the File Explorer on your computer. If you don't immediately see it on your taskbar, no worries. You can find File Explorer easily by right-clicking on the Windows Start button and selecting File Explorer from there. Once you've opened up File Explorer, you'll notice a left sidebar. Here, you'll select this PC and then proceed to the Local Disk section. This is essentially the hub of where many of your program files reside. Next, within Local Disk, you'll want to find and open the folder named Program Files x86. This is crucial because it's home to many essential program components, including Microsoft applications. Once you're in the Program Files x86 folder, look for another folder labeled Microsoft and select that. Inside, you might notice several different subfolders representing various Microsoft products. The one you're interested in is simply labeled Edge. This is where your current version of Microsoft Edge is stored. Continuing on, you'll find an application folder within the Edge folder. Open that up, and inside, you'll notice a folder with a quite long and specific set of numbers. These numbers designate the version of Microsoft Edge installed on your system, and while they might be different for everyone, they serve the same purpose. You're going to select the folder filled with these version numbers. Having drilled down into the right set of folders, the next step is to search for and enter the Installer folder. Once inside here, pay close attention to the navigation bar where all the folder paths are displayed. Click on a blank, empty area of this address to highlight the path text. You'll need to delete this text and instead type CMD. Hitting Enter on your keyboard after doing this opens up the command prompt, or CMD for short, directly at the location you need it to be. In this CMD window, you'll now see that it's pointing to the correct folder path down all the way to Installer. This is exactly where you want it before you proceed. Now you'll want to carefully enter a command to uninstall Edge. Type in setup.exe, uninstall, system level, verbose logging, force uninstall, and press enter. This command tells your computer to uninstall Microsoft Edge completely. An additional prompt may pop up asking if you're sure you want to make changes to Microsoft Edge. All that's left is to confirm by selecting yes. And just like that, you've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Edge from your Windows 10 computer. I hope this tutorial was straightforward and useful. Thanks for following along, and stay tuned for more insightful guides.